Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sunny G, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create this beautiful look. If you want to see how I create this look, please keep watching. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you. I am going to prime my lid and I'm going to be using this Revolution concealer. I am just covering here the dark I have of my lids because it's very dark. And this concealer is more lighter than my skin tone, and that's okay because I need something lighter. I am going to set my concealer and I am using a translucent powder. Any translucent powder can work. I'm going to make an eyeliner and I'm going to use this eyeliner. This is from L'Oreal. To do the eyeliner, I'm using this brush, and this is very tiny brush, but I love this brush because it's very thin. I'm going to use another brush, and this one is clean, so I'm going to start blending the edges. I want to blend this area a little. You can see I'm just doing it right now until the half of the eye. Now I'm going to start blending this color to the another half. I follow a makeup artist. Her name is Mariana Zambrano. She did the eyeliner and like kind of faded, and I love it. I'm going to be trying to do today. After I have this, I'm gonna start using this blue. I'm going to be using this brush. This is a pencil brush, and I'm grabbing the blue color. Now I'm going to apply this blue color on top of the black one. Over here, when I get to the corner, I'm gonna grab one of the brushes and I'm gonna grab this one. I am changing to an angle brush in the corner because I want the corner more thin. Right now I'm just applying the color, and later I'm going to start blending. I'm cleaning with a Q-tip over here because I don't want this part go thick. I'm going to blend with this brush, and this is an angle brush. I'm going to use this color, and this one is from Morphe, and I am going to try to blend this blue. This color I am going to blend a little higher than the other one. I'm taking the color out. I'm going back with the blue, and I'm just putting it on top of the black. I'm going back with the eyeliner, with the black eyeliner, and going to apply again the eyeliner. That way it looks black, blue, and light blue. That's the idea of this makeup. I think I'm gonna be using this one because this one is more easy for me to apply on my eye. I'm going to be using this brush, and this one is from Wet n Wild. I'm going to wet the brush, that way the color is more pigmented. I am applying this color on my eyelid, and I'm going to take the color a little higher. That way, like when I open the eye, look like I have eyeshadow over here too. I'm going to be using this color just to blend the crease. That way I have something over here. And I'm taking this color a little up on my crease. I'm going to grab this bronze, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to define my crease. That's why I'm using a very small tiny brush, because I want just define my crease. And I am focusing more this color in the outer V, and with the same brush I used first, just blending the color. I'm going back with this color again. I wet my brush, that way the color is more pigmented. I'm going back with the blue color, and I am going to be passing this color again on. I am applying a little of this color on top of the blue. Oh yeah, I think I like more this one. And this palette is from Profusion. And with a flat angle brush, I'm going to do the same thing, but over here in the wing. Now I am going to be blending with this color. Now I am going to be blending this blue, and I'm just passing the brush. Now I'm going to remove this tape. I'm going to clean this area and I'm going to put eyelashes. I'll be right back. For eyelashes, I am using this one and this one are for red cherry. The number is Y108. I'm putting this black pencil on top of my eyelashes. After I apply the eyelashes, this looks is looking much better. I feel like it's looking very good. For primer, I'm going to be using this primer and this one from e.l.f. I'm going to be applying this one and just on my pores, and then I'm applying this primer all over my face, and this is how much I got from my pores. I'm going to be using this concealer. It's concealer correcting. I'm going to be correcting my dark circles. I'm going around my mouth because I have a little pigmentation in these areas. For foundation, I'm going to be using this foundation, and this one is the new one for Wet n Wild. This one is the Dewy Lumino. This foundation gives you a very natural finish, and the brush I'm using is this one from Beauty Creation. This is my favorite brush to apply the foundation. The color I'm using is the Golden Beige. I am applying this concealer, and this one is from Revolution, and I'm just applying it over here. Next, I am using this concealer, and this one is from Milani. I am looking up, that way I blend very well my concealer. I'm going to set my foundation with this loose powder, and this one is from Wet n Wild too. I'm going to set the rest of my face with this powder. This one is from RCMA. I'm going to be baking just a little. I'm going to contour my face, and I'm going to be using this color. I'm going to contour my jawline. I'm going to contour my nose. I'm going to be applying translucent powder over here. I'm going to be removing the translucent powder. I'm using this brush from BH Cosmetic, and I am going to pass all over my face this powder just to remove the loose powder I apply. I'll be applying this bronze, and this one is from Lancome, and I'm gonna mix it with this one from Milani, and I'm gonna apply over here. Oops. I'm going to be using this blush, and this one is from Mary Kay. I'm going to be mixing it with this highlighter. I don't want to have too much blush today, so I'm using kind of the same color as my bronze. I am applying a little of this blush too. I'm going to be using this highlight. For the butter lashes, I'm going to start using this color, and I'm going to be applying this color on my butter lashes. I am using this color Pop eyeshadow, and I am going to blend this color. I am going to use this color, and I am going to be passing it on top of this color, that way it's a little more dark. Now I'm going to be applying this black eyeliner, and I'm going to be applying this eyeliner on my butter waterline. I'm going to grab this color now, and I go mix it with this one. I am blending the black color. I am blending over here with a brush. I used the first color. I'm going to be applying a little of this color. I'm grabbing this blue. I dig with my brush, that way the color is intense over here. So now this color, I'm going to take it up a little. For my inner dot, I'm using this color, and I'm using a Q-tip to put this color over. I'm taking this color a little high. It looks beautiful. This color, this gray color is beautiful. And now I am going to be doing my eyebrows, and I'm going to apply mascara on my butter lashes. So I'll be right back. I like to apply this color on my brow bone, and I'm gonna mix it with this one. I like to apply this eyeshadow, and this one is a matte eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be blending with the same brush. I blend all the colors together. For my lips, I'm applying this lip liner, and this one is from Mary Kay, and I am using this one from Essence, number 10. I am spraying this setting spray. This is for NYX. A finished look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.